In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable efficiently. Lovable is an AI-powered workspace that can generate an entire app from a single prompt and help you refine it step by step. The key is to start strong, review carefully, and make focused improvements. Begin by opening the Lovable dashboard and selecting Create New Project. This sets up a fresh workspace where the AI can generate your app. Next, write a clear, detailed prompt. The more specific you are, the better your first version will be. For example, create a clean and modern task manager app with a dashboard, task list, add/delete buttons, and simple navigation. When you're happy with your description, click Generate App. Lovable will now build a project automatically, including the UI, the structure, and the code. When it's done, you'll see a live preview on the right and your generated files on the left. Give it a moment to finish. Larger prompts may take a bit longer. Before changing anything, do a careful first review. Click through the preview to check the layout, try the buttons, and look for spacing or alignment issues. Ask yourself whether the colors and overall style match your vision. This quick assessment will make your next instructions more precise and effective. To improve the design, use the instruction box at the bottom. You can type something like, improve the UI, make the spacing cleaner, make the headings bigger, and use a modern card style. Then click Run. Lovable will update all relevant files for you. Clear, actionable requests usually produce the cleanest results. If you want a completely different look, you can use Regenerate to produce an alternate design. However, small targeted improvements typically lead to a more predictable and polished outcome. So use Improve as your default and Regenerate when you truly want a fresh direction. Work in small tasks to keep things stable. For example, add features one at a time. Add a navigation bar with home and tasks. Run that, check it, then continue. Add a modal pop-up for creating a new task. Running changes in small increments reduces errors and makes it easier to trace issues. If you're unsure what a file does, click the file and ask, explain this file. This is a great way to learn the structure Lovable generated and understand where to make edits. When you encounter an error, paste the error into the chat and say, fix this error, keep the existing structure. Lovable will propose and apply a fix. Before you wrap up, ask, do a full project check for issues before deployment. This prompts Lovable to scan the whole project and flag problems so you can ship with confidence.